everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna vinyl wrap the console of my Model 3. Now I did not really plan to add this accessory, but during this pandemic, there was a time that it's really hard to find a hand sanitizer at the stores. But I was able to grab alcohol at CVS, and I was using this type of dispenser, so I thought it will be just fine. When I was using this in the car, yeah, this is a pump type, so it squirts up, squirts out, and right up when you pump it. So it's gonna work like this. What I like about this thing is that it's kind of store alcohol in this area, so it's kind of like a cup. And then yeah, you can dip your fingers so the alcohol actually penetrate inside your nails. So this is what I like about this one. But every time I pump this thing, it squirts out alcohol and then goes into the finish of my console. So that's how I ruined my console finish. Now this video is not sponsored, by the way, but I just want to share to you guys what brand I chose. So this is by EV Wraps. So yeah, this is like 30 bucks, $29.99. Now let's install this thing and then get busy. Before you continue watching, I gotta admit I totally underestimated this. I thought it's going to be very easy, that I did not bother watching any installation videos first. If you want to learn the right way on how to install this thing, then I suggest to watch EV Wraps official installation video. Just click the link down in the description below. If you want to see me struggle installing this thing, then this is the video to watch. Now back to the video. So here it is, guys. I chose the carbon fiber rather than the matte black because I already have carbon fiber at my door handle. There are three parts of this thing. So top piece, this is this thing, and then the middle piece, and then the cup holder. So the top piece, middle piece, cup holder. So hopefully it's just as easy as it looks. Okay, let's get busy now. So I'd like to start in the bottom first because this is the easiest one. It looks really easy, but it's actually not. Oh my goodness. What am I doing? think I chose the wrong part to wrap first. This is not easy. See, it gets disaligned because of this hole here. Okay, that looks okay. That looks pretty good. Wow, I chose the most difficult one. I thought that'd be easier since it's actually a little bit closer to me, and then I thought that's gonna be easier. Was I wrong? Okay, next is this one. Hopefully this is not as bad as the other one. So clean it first. I think this is the top. Oh no, this is the top. This is in the middle. So I think it goes like this. Not sure. It looks symmetrical. Top of middle piece. Oh, okay. Here. So there's actually a guide here. This is gonna be the top. Like that. Without this indicator, I would probably gonna be installing it the wrong way. So this thing, you have to really push it like this, so it will expose space here. Because if you're just gonna leave it like that, then you're not gonna be installing it properly. So push some more, and then put this thing in there. Wow, this is not easy, guys. already installed the middle part, so this one is not really that hard to install. So I'm gonna install the top part now. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that thing first. Okay, so I'm gonna move my light because I can't really see from the bottom. So I'm gonna start in the bottom. I'm just gonna fold it like this and then stick it here. Oops, light. Aziz lights.
Aziz, light!
Okay, just like that, guys. So now I'm gonna slowly pull this thing while adhering the wrap to the surface. Okay, that's the top part. So last piece, so I'm just gonna leave that thing unwrapped here because you can't really see that thing from the top anyway. when you're sitting in the car, so it doesn't really bother me. I'm not gonna install the wrap in there because it's so difficult and it's just not worth it. So last piece is that thing here, so I'm gonna install it too. Okay, for that last part, guys, I'm gonna clean it first. Okay, that looks pretty good. So that's it, guys. It looks pretty good now. It doesn't look gross like before. So I hope you can see that in the video. Yeah, I love it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, just leave your comment down below, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you love it, please do subscribe. And as always, guys, stay busy, and I will see you in the next video.